PowerPoint presentation in the other room. Okay? Two of my students will present you the two dishes, courses, that you'll have to prepare after, yes, seeing the PowerPoint presentation. The groups are all done, right? The teams, I mean. Yeah? Everybody knows where you are now. You are going to come back in the same place. Yeah? So we are going and have the PowerPoint presentation, and then we come back here, and I will tell you step by step everything that you have to do. Is it okay? So follow me.
Hi guys, I'm Romanian. I'm Lucian, and we are about to present you two traditional meals here in Romania. The first one is ciorba de oțean. A Romanian meal traditionally begin with a soup, often a sour one, called ciorba. In Romania, in almost each restaurant you visit, you can find at least 3 types of ciorba in the menu. Ciorba is usually a sour soup containing various vegetables and meat. Ciorba rădăuțeană is a traditional recipe from rădăuț soup from the northern part of Romania, Balkan. Easy and fast to prepare. In addition to being very tasty, chicken soup has distinct healing properties because it relieves cold symptoms. The ingredients: one chicken breast or wings, 2 chicken thighs, 3 carrots, 1 celery root, 1 parsnip, 1 onion, 4 garlic cloves, 2 egg yolks, 230 grams or 1 cup sour cream, juice from 1 lemon, 1 parsley bunch, salt and pepper to taste. Primary and thermal processing. In a soup pot, add 3 or 4 liters of water and the chicken parts. The water amount depends on your soup pot size. Boil for at least 1 hour, skimming the foam each time it rises to the surface. Add the carrots, celery root, parsnip, onion, and boil for 30 to 45 minutes, or until the vegetables are cooked. Remove the vegetables and the meat from the pot. Discard the onion and the parsnip. Shred the carrots and the celery root with a grater, and chop the chicken into pieces. Put the vegetables and back in the pot. Put 2 ladders of soup in a bowl and let them cool for 2 to 3 minutes. In another bowl, beat the egg yolks and mix with the sour cream. Press the garlic and add it to the cream mixture. Gradually add the 2 ladders of soup and whisk it well. This will help temper the sour cream mixture so that it won't curdle. Add lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Let the soup boil for another 5 minutes. Turn off the heat, then add the sour cream mixture while stirring continuously with a whisk. Add the finely chopped parsley and serve. Here are the final products. Here are the final products. I think they look tasty.
And now we have cooking techniques for papanaș, which are Romanian fried cheese donuts with jam. These cheese donuts stuffed with jam are one of the best on Romanian desserts, something you will probably find on the menu of every Romanian restaurant out there. They are quick and easy to make and utterly delicious, something that both children and grown-ups love. They are a typical Romanian dessert, basically cheese donuts. There are 2 kinds of Romanian fried donuts, fried or boiled papanaș. Both kinds of papanaș are made with the Romanian brânză de vaci, which means cow's cheese. Brânză de vaci is a fresh kind of cheese, low in fat and high in proteins. It has a soft consistency and a mild and fresh taste. It is similar to cottage cheese, but a little milder, I would say. Ingredients: cottage cheese, 2 eggs, a few drops of aroma, granulated sugar, vanilla sugar, flour, baking soda, cooking oil for frying the donuts, cream to serve, whole fruit, runny blueberry, jam to serve, or sour cherry, blackberry, blackcurrant jam, etc. Primary and thermal processing. Give the cottage cheese to a bowl, add the eggs and the aroma, the granulated and vanilla sugar. With an immersion blender, blend the ingredients until you obtain a rough paste. The cottage cheese should not be turned into a smooth paste. Just blend it a little bit in order to make the cheese balls a little finer. Mix the flour and the baking soda and give them to the cheese mixture. Mix with a spoon. Turn the dough onto the floured surface and knead it lightly to form a ball. The dough should still be somewhat sticky yet manageable. In the meantime, heat the oil in a pot. Only fry 2 or 3 papanaș at a time. Depending on the size of your pan, do not overcrowd the pan. The papanaș should be able to move around freely. Place them on plates lined with kitchen paper and pat them dry in order to absorb some of the excess oils. Serve warm topped with cream and blueberry jam. Place the little balls on top and top them with a little cream and jam as well. And here are the papadas.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now that you have a clue of what you're going to cook, let's do it.
Malo još volim za reći vrhili, no, mini kožica. Možemo stare.
Totul mai smântână?
Asta e.
Mennä kun tälläkin on kanssa tekee suukassa, ja kun tälläkin on kanssa tokoista kerjostuksessa. Ja näitä
Okay. We cover it now.
No.
Yes.
Dai, c'è cosa?
La parte magari di bella.
No, no. Yeah. Like this. It's so hard to do.
They have the points and everything, so we will have a winner, yes? So they will taste your soup just to give you some marks. Yeah, we will announce the winner and then we can eat everything. Yes? Raul, come closer.
We watch real closely all of our actions in the kitchen. We come to the result that the best team at cooking the papanash was team number 6.
6. There's no papanash.
And for the chorba, we came to the conclusion that after watching you with the vegetables and all of that, the best team for the chorba is team number 5.
5.
Yo, yo, yo.